Hello viewers, welcome to back our channel Crochet Lovers. So friends, how are you? I hope all you happy. May Almighty keep you all happy and keep you homes inhabited, and may you continue to my videos like this. I mean, so friends, today I will share with you the very beautiful crochet crop top designs. Be sure starting the video, I request all of you to subscribe my channel first, and also make sure to follow, press the bell icon. You can see very beautiful and amazing design showed you people in it. All the designs that I am sharing with you today are all new designs brought to your channel in the first time. You can also buy the market about such designs. You can get my ideas from my videos. So friends, video is very helpful and useful. Keep you for guys, I keep similar designs with my dear friends daily, inshallah. Be sure to let us now in the comment box. I want to see you watch any videos related to visit my channel Crochet Lovers, and if you guys want to, you can scan a screenshot from my videos and show it to someone else, and you can make a similar designs. Is very popular in the country and girls love such clothes too. So friends, today video is amazing. Every video is a lovely design for you guys. Don't miss off the on my video channel. So friends, today in this video I will share with you some different designs. We will keep sharing with you in the like and kind of fashion related designs. Let's go, inshallah. We will meet again in the next video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget subscribe. I am grateful the people who have subscribed to my channel. Stay with me, take care. We remember in prayer, and bye.